The exercise bike is ideal for beginners and fitness enthusiasts who want to lose weight, tone muscles, enhance cardiovascular functions, and regulate their blood pressure. It's considered a low-impact workout, so it's perfect for all ages. The best part is, not only does it help you become healthier, but also saves you from having to deal with different types of weather, air pollution that you might inhale, or traffic when cycling outside. Now, if you're thrilled to have a stationary bike, stay tuned because we'll share with you the best exercise bikes on the market today. So join us as we introduce our top-selling and most trusted products. First on our list is the Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse. Do you want to achieve a strong and toned body without having to go to the gym? Well, if you do, then this product is perfect for you. It's carefully constructed to provide a safe, low-impact exercise that helps in losing weight, improving your cardiovascular health, as well as strengthening joints and muscles. The weight capacity is up to 300 pounds, so whether you're light or heavy, this exercise equipment can support you. It's designed for a simple yet effective workout so you can have a fit body without stressing your ankles and joints. It also comes with a large seat cushion that's suitable for users of any size and can be adjusted 5 feet 3 inches up to 6 feet 1 inch in height, so you can quickly hop on and off the bike. The 3.3 by 1.5 inch LCD screen allows you to track your distance, speed, heart rate, time, and calories burned. It enables you to check your progress if you've already hit your exercise goal for the day. Compared to other upright bikes on the market, this product has an 8-level magnetic tension system that's ideal for beginners as they can control the level of intensity on the bike. It lets you adjust how light or how difficult you want your workout to be. As for the Hand Plus sensor, it monitors your heart rate, and it also features a 3-piece high-torque cranking system that delivers a steady and smooth pedaling motion. The accurately balanced flywheel and V-belt drives will help the product work quietly and efficiently. Now you can do your daily routine workout while watching TV without any background noise as you use this upright bike. It also has a small compartment where you can put your TV remote or mobile device. The Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse takes pride in having a space-saving design that allows it to be folded in half to fit even in the most limited space. It only measures 31 by 19 by 46 inches with a weight of just over 42 pounds, absolutely compact for heavy-duty exercise equipment. Securing the second spot is the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance that measures 56 inches long, 25 inches wide, and 43 inches high with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Having exercise equipment at home is always a good investment. It helps you stay fit and healthy despite your busy schedule. With this product, you can achieve a healthier you without having to leave your house. The Marcy Recumbent bike boasts a premium steel frame that's guaranteed to be durable and sturdy. It's designed and engineered to withstand abrasion and oxidation to maintain quality even in long years of use. You can place this product anywhere you desire as it comes in a compact but stylish structure that perfectly fits in your home gym, living room, or garden area. It also comes with a battery-operated LCD screen that allows you to track your calories burned, distance, speed, and time. It also works like an odometer that tracks your speed and distance that you've traveled. More than that, the screen is designed to be large enough for you to easily read and monitor your progress. What makes this product stand out is it has advanced magnetic resistance system with 8 preset levels that enable you to personalize your own workout program. The resistance level is also easy to control with the help of a tension knob. It features a cushioned seat and back pad that makes your daily exercise easier and comfortable. Aside from making you feel nice and cozy during your routine, the seat's also adjustable to fit on any user's size. The handles have soft vinyl foam covering for a more comfortable grip. As for the pedals, they're made of high-quality materials as well to ensure your feet don't go through any unneeded stress through your daily workout. The added wheel makes it easy to move the bike anywhere or wherever you want to set it. At number 3 is the Sunny Health and Fitness Pro Indoor Cycling Bike. Staying fit and healthy is made more convenient with this product. It's easy to set up and easy to disassemble, so you can start working out as soon as you want. It has a state-of-the-art feature such as the 40-pound solid chrome flywheel, the smooth, reliable chain drive mechanism, and of course the heavy-duty crank system. All of these features are designed to make the bike work quietly but efficiently so you can work out without interrupting everyone else. What's great is it has an adjustable seat and handlebars to help you complete your exercise routine without causing pressure on your hands, back, or lower extremities. The multi-grip handles are padded and slip-free to make you feel more comfortable even through a rough and prolonged workout. It also provides added security as this part is guaranteed to be durable yet soft to the grip. You can even customize the cushioned seat to your height level to help you target most of the major muscles on your body. With its 6.5 by 10.25 by 10.5 inch measurements, you're surely secured and safe from falling off. Aside from its heavy-duty design, it's also equipped with a felt pad resistance system made of soft, smooth felt fabric for intense cardio workouts that will help you shed that extra weight. It makes the flywheel harder to spin so you burn more calories. More than that, you can even control how hard you want to work out using the resistance knob. The ergonomic foot pedal is cage style with a strap and buckle that you can tighten to conform to the shape of your foot. This product measures 49 inches long by 20 inches wide by 47 inches high with a maximum user weight capacity of 275 pounds. A user manual is provided upon purchase to help you assemble the Sunny Health and Fitness Pro indoor cycling bike. In this review, we've gathered the 5 best stationary bikes in the market so you can use without going out of your house or while you're watching TV. So if you see something in our list that fits your taste, just hit the link in the description box and catch it at its best price. Let us know if there's a product you'd like to see in one of our next videos by writing your suggestions in the comment box. As always, hit the bell icon to receive notifications from us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned because we still have 2 more products to share with you. Taking our 4th spot on the list is the Body Rider Exercise Upright Fan Bike with updated softer seat to make your exercise routine simple and easy. The adjustable cushion seat is perfect for multiple users with small to tall heights. It comes with dual action handlebars that help engage both upper and lower extremities for a more effective workout. The Body Rider Exercise Upright Fan Bike utilizes a high-grade metallic plastic material that's not only durable but stylish. It has a sturdy steel frame with a black and silver finish that can blend perfectly in any home decor. It's beautifully constructed to fit even the most small spaces in your living room or home gym. The assembled measurements are 42 by 22 by 46.5 inches with a weight of 47 pounds. Its weight capacity is 250 pounds. What's also cool about this product is the user-friendly and easy-to-use digital display that helps you monitor your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The foot pedal includes a strap so your feet won't slip off, and it boasts an innovative fan wheel that keeps you well ventilated and comfortable as you tone your muscles, improve your cardiovascular endurance, and lose weight. It features a durable, high-quality H-frame that will help to keep you safe and secure even in an intense exercise program. It also comes with an easy-to-adjust resistance knob that allows you to customize the intensity level of your workout. If you've already found the product you want, we've prepared a link in the description box so you can take home one of these items at the best offer. Let us know what you think about our video by writing your thoughts in the comment box. If you'd like to be updated whenever we put out a new review video, tap the bell icon and we'll keep you posted. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and join our growing community. Now, let's take a look at our 5th product. Our final item is the Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. Staying fit and healthy doesn't have to be costly. You only need the right exercise bike and set a workout program to maintain that good figure and healthier lifestyle. With this product, you can strengthen your joints, tone your muscles, improve cardiovascular endurance, as well as reduce fats without leaving your home. It only measures 57 by 26 by 46 inches with a weight of just over 61 pounds, so you can place it anywhere you want. The best part about this indoor bike is its adjustable seat with saddle, adjustable on both horizontal and vertical directions. It has an inseam adjustment with a minimum of 27 inches and a maximum of 33 inches. It's ergonomically designed to make you feel more comfortable even through long, rough workout routines. It features a digital monitor screen where you can track the distance, speed, time, and calories burned. What's unique about this exercise bike is that the 22-pound chrome flywheel that will make you feel like you're riding outside as it works smoothly and efficiently. The chain drive mechanism delivers that smooth but quiet ride. With the felt fabric brake pad, it's perfect if you're up for an intense and full body workout. Adding or removing the resistance is made easier as you only need to twist the knob. The Sunny Health and Fitness indoor cycling bike has a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds. Its foot pedal is enclosed to keep your feet from slipping off and is secured from any unwanted injuries. All of these outstanding features and a value that won't hurt your pocket. Quite amazing. Well, there you have it, the top-selling exercise bikes on the market today. We hope our video helps you find the best exercise equipment that will help you achieve a healthier and more fit body. All of these products are listed based on their performance, durability, and quality, so if you know exactly which one you want, just head to the description box below and to the link to catch it at its best price. Let us know what you think about our reviews by writing your comments below. Also, if you tap the bell icon, you'll receive notifications from us. And before we end our video, click the subscribe button for more product reviews and join our growing community. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.